In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Microsoft Teams. If you want to automatically send updates from Airtable into a Microsoft Teams channel, this setup is a simple and effective way to keep your team informed without having to post manual messages every time something changes. In this walkthrough, we'll go from the initial setup all the way to turning the automation on, so everything is ready to run smoothly. To begin, open your automation or integration tool. This is the platform where you'll build the connection between Airtable and Microsoft Teams. Once you're inside, start a new automation or open an existing one if you've already begun setting it up. The goal here is to create a workflow that listens to activity in Airtable and then sends that information into Teams. Next, connect Airtable as the first app. This tells the automation where the information is coming from. When prompted, select Airtable and authorize the connection if needed. After that, choose the Airtable base and the specific table you want to connect. Make sure you select the one that contains the records you actually want to track, because this is what will control the updates being sent later on. Once Airtable is connected, move on to Microsoft Teams. Sign in to your Teams account through the integration tool so it can post messages on your behalf. After the account is connected, choose the team and then the channel where you want the updates to appear. It's a good idea to double check the selection so messages go to the correct place, especially if you manage multiple teams or channels. Now you'll map the message content. This is where you decide what information from Airtable should appear in the Teams message. Insert the relevant Airtable fields into the message so the update is useful and easy for others to understand. For example, you might include a record name, status, deadline, or any other key field that helps provide quick context. Try to keep the message clear and readable so it works well inside a busy channel. After mapping the message, send a test message to Microsoft Teams. This step is important because it lets you confirm that the integration is working correctly and that the message appears the way you expect. Review the test carefully to make sure the right data is pulling through and that the formatting looks clean. Once everything looks good, turn on the automation. Activating it makes the integration live, which means future Airtable updates will begin sending to your selected Teams channel automatically. And that's it. You now have a working Airtable to Microsoft Teams automation that helps keep communication faster, more organized, and much more consistent.